Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph. What is the current price of Hedera Hashgraph? What's the current price change goes at this time in Hedera Hashgraph? And what is the next move of Hedera Hashgraph? In this video I will show you friends. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And remember, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now if we talk about the current price of Hedera Hashgraph, so the current price is about 0.283385 USD dollar is the current price of Hedera Hashgraph. And if we talk about the change, so the change gone very wrong friends. I'm really angry to see this kind of change. I'm very sad to see this kind of change. Oh my god, only and only fast hooker Hedera Hashgraph over and over falls down friends. Last one never change negative, last one day change negative, last 1 week change negative. Oh my god. Let's see the price prediction chart on the screen. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price prediction chart friends. As you can see here friends, if we talk about the price change goes in the last 1 day in Hedera Hashgraph, so the last 1 day change is about negative 3.43% friends, and the highest price in this last 1 day period is about 0.295296 USD dollar is the highest price in the last 1 day period friends. The current price at this time of Hedera in the market is about 0.283385 USD dollar is the current price of Hedera Hashgraph. As you can see here, they're trying to take a jump, but after some jump they again falls down. As you can see, take a jump and after falls, as you can see, falls down at this jump, a very bad falls, as you can see here, and now they are again take a jump, but if you look, the average level change as in negative friends. As you can see here, the average level change as in negative friends, and now they are also in the falling mode friends. So they are in the falling mode, so I think they continue as stable for a 1 day in the future, and after a 1 day tomorrow they can maybe goes upward in the future. Tomorrow there is chances to Hedera Hashgraph take a jump friends. So what's your opinion about Hedera Hashgraph? On the basis of technical analysis, my suggestion is that maybe Hedera Hashgraph tomorrow take a jump friends. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.